Now we are going to see the lesson The Fun They Had. The author name was Isaac Asimov. Now we are going to see about the author. The author Isaac Asimov was born on January 2nd, 1920. He was a prolific writer. Prolific means fertile, good writer. He edited more than 500 books and estimated 90,000 letters. Estimated means judge, criticize. Judge 90,000 letters. He wrote a science fiction novel, hard science fiction, with Robert A. Heinlein and Arthur C. Clarke. He was a best science fiction writer. Here is an imaginary high school class depicted in a French postcard. Depicted means represented. This is a postcard. Imaginary high school means it is a classroom. Nowadays, students are learning from computers and online. So, the word imaginary high school is used here. Read the story to find out how a student like Margie studied in the year 2057. In this lesson, the fun they had, the author write about a school present in 2157. Margie is a student in the year 2157. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. Margie had a habit of writing diary. On the page headed 17th May 2057, she wrote, "Today, Dami found a real book." The day was 17th May 2157. He started that today Dami found a real book. What does the word real book means? Margie studied in computer and online. The real books means in olden days the books are used to study. Dami found a book. It was very old. It was a old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Margie's grandfather's grandfather said that they are studied in books. All the stories are printed on paper. In the books, the stories and the messages are printed on a paper. They turned the page, which were yellow and crinky. The pages was yellow and crinky. The pages was yellow because it was dead. Crinkly means folded. The papers are folded. It was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. Awfully means very. It was very funny to read words. Why they feel it was funny? They are studying in a computer. The computers, the words are moving. But in the books, the words are stand still. And then when turned back to page before, It had the same words on it. When they come to the back page, the same word is present. But the computer, when you clicking the words, the new pages are coming. So they are surprised. The word is not changed in the books. It had when they read it the first time. Their first time reading a book. Gee, said Dami, what a waste. Dami said that the books are waste. When you are through with the books, you just throw it away, I guess. After reading a book, we throw the book. Our television screen must have had a million books on it. He said that the online have millions of books. It's good for plenty more. Plenty means abundance. Abundance means lot. Lot of books are present in online and computers. I wouldn't throw it away. He said that he wouldn't throw the online books. Same with mine, said Margie. Margie agreed that she was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Tommy was 13 years old. Margie was 11 years old. Tommy was elder than Margie, so he read many telebooks than Margie. She said, where did you find it? Margie asked to Tommy where he found that. In my house. He said that he found the books in his house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading. In the attic. He didn't see Margie because he was busily reading the book. He said that he found the books in the storeroom. Attic means storeroom. What's about? Margie asked what is present in the book. He said that it is about a school. Margie was scornful. Scornful means contempt, dislike. Margie disliked school. Cat school. What's there to write about school? Margie asked to him. What is present to write about the school? I had school. Margie said that he disliked school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had given her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had taken her at sorrowfully and sent for the country inspector. Margie hated school, but now hated more than ever because the mechanical teacher gave her test after test in the geography subject. But do he doing worse. But he didn't do well. So his mother shaken her head sadly and sent for the country inspector. Sent for me called in country inspector to check the computer. He was round little man with red face and a whole box of tools with tiles and wires. He was a fat man. His face was red. He have a toolbox. The toolbox contains dials. Dials mean needles and spanners and wires. The toolbox contains needles, spanners and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. He gave Margie an apple and separated the parts of the computer. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right. And after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with his big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Margie hoped means think that he wouldn't repair the computer. But after an hour, he knew how all right. That means he know how repair the computer. After an hour, he repaired the computers. The computer was very large. This was the computer. The mechanical teacher. It was a large and black color. Margie think that it was ugly. It had a big screen. In the screen, the lessons are moving. Also, questions are asked. Margie didn't like that, so he think that it was so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slat. Slat means window, the computer window. Margie hated the computer window because the window shows the lessons and asks the question. Where she had to put homework and test paper. Why the Margie hated the window? The window gave the homework and test paper. So he hated the window. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made he learn when she was 6 years old. Punch code means operated by keyboard. Operated by keyboard. She write the answer by using the keyboard. He learned when he was 6 years old. He learned to use the keyboard when she was 6 years old. The mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. The mechanical teacher suddenly calculated the mark. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. Inspector means repairer. The repairer repaired the computer and patted means tapped Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mr. Jones." Mr. Jones was Margie's mother. In the country inspector, the repairer said to his mother, it was not the fault of the Margie. I think the geography sector was geared. Geared means increased. The geography sector was increased in speed. Those things happen sometime. It was happened at some time. I have slowed it up to an average 10 years old. Now the country inspector slowed down the speed of the computer to 10 years level. Actually, the whole overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. Satisfactory means sufficient, enough. In the country inspector said that her performance was good and he patted Margie's head again. One more time he appreciated Margie. Margie was disappointed and frustrated. Why she disappointed? Margie think that the country inspector didn't repair the computer. But the country inspector repaired the computer within 1 hour. So she was disappointed. She had been hopping. They would take the teacher away altogether. She think that the country inspector take the teacher away from the home. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the country inspector had blanked out completely. Blanked means vanished. One day, the Tommy's computer was vanished. Vanished means it is blanked. No books or lesson or books or lessons come in the computer. Come on the computer. Completely vanished. Completely means wholly blanked. Blanked means emptied. So the country inspector take the Tommy's mechanical teacher for 1 month for repairing. So she said to Dami, why would anyone write about school? She said to Dami, why would anyone write about school? Margie, come to the real book. Dami, she asked to Dami why anyone wrote about the school. Dami looked at her with very superior eyes. Superior eyes means big. Big means the eyes is expanded. That means Tom is surprised about her question. Because it's not our kind of schools to beat. Tommy said that the school is not like our school. Our school means Dami and Margie was studied with mechanical teacher. But the books is told about the old school. Old school, the teacher was teaching the lesson. In Margie and Tommy's school, the mechanical teacher teaching to them. This is the old kind of school that they had hundred of years ago. The books told about the school presented 100 years ago. He added, loftily pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Centuries mean 100 years. The school is about centuries ago. The school set in the books is about centuries ago. Loftily means proudly. He proudly said that. Pronouncing means uttering. Proudly says the school set in the books is about centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Margie feel painful about his response. Well, I didn't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She said that he didn't know what type of school happened at centuries ago. She read the books over his shoulders for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Margie read the book over his shoulder. Margie also read the book with Dami. Anyway, they had a teacher. She now know that the old school have a teacher. Surely they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a human. A regular teacher means Margie and Swami studied with mechanical teacher. The regular teacher means mechanical teacher. In olden school, the teacher was a human. A human? How would a human be a teacher? Margie is surprised. How a human be a teacher? Well, she told boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. She told boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. The teacher gave homework and asked the question to the student. A human isn't smart enough. Margie thinks that the human teacher is not smart like the mechanical teacher. Sure one is. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. Dispute means argue. Margie is not wanted to argue with Dami. She said, I wouldn't want a stranger in my house to teach me. Margie liked the mechanical teacher. He said that he didn't want a stranger means he didn't want a human teacher to teach her. Dami screamed with laughter. Screamed with loud. Dami loudly laughed. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Margie said that you didn't read the books, you didn't know much about the old school. The teacher not come to the house, they come to the special building and all the kids, all the students went to the special building. The special building is called as the school. And all the kids learned the same things. The kids going to the schools learned the same things from the human teacher. Sure, if they were the same age. Also, he said that the kids were the same age. The same age students are studied in a class. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Margie's mother said that the teacher of the old school adjusted to the mind of the boys and the girls present in the classroom. Because many students are present in the classroom, different kinds of students are present in the classroom. The teachers are adjusted and teaching and coaching to the student, coaching to the different type of student. So taught differently. They taught differently to the different student. Just the same they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Differently mean variously. The teacher variously teaching. Fit means suitable. The teachers are suitably taught to the boys and girls. You didn't like that. Tom said that if you don't like the old school, why do you read the book? I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. Margie said that I don't mean that I didn't like it. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Margie also wanted to read the books and know about the old school. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie's school. They half finished the book. Finished mean ended. They half finished the book. Margie's mother called Margie to study in school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Margie looked up her mother and said that He didn't want to study now. Now, said Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones is Margie's mother. And it's probably time for Tommy too. Mr. Jones said that Margie and Tommy come to school to study now. Margie said to Tommy, "Can I read the book some more with you after school?" Margie told Tommy she also wanted to read the books after the school time finished. "Maybe," he said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means casually. Perhaps, maybe means perhaps. He agreed to read with Margie. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. With whistling, he happily go to the school. Also, he carried the dusty old book beneath her arm. Beneath means under. Tucked means pull. He pulled under his arm. He keep the books under his arm. Margie went to the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. Margie went to the schoolroom. It was in his home near to the bedroom. The mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. Her mother on the mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher was waiting to Margie. It was always on the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learned at regular hours. It was always on at the same time. Margie and Tommy Sar studied with mechanical teacher at a regular time. Only Saturday and Sundays are holidays to them. Her mother said to them, the little girls, the students are learned regular hours every day. Do you know Sophia? Sophia is the name of the computer. The Saudi Arabia give a citizenship to this computer, Sophia. It was the first robot received citizenship. The name of the Sophia is United Nations Development Program. It is the first non-human given any United Nations title. The United Nations title is the United Nations Development Program. It is the first computer give the citizenship, and the title United Nations titles are given to the computer. Come to the remaining part of the lesson. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. The screen shows the arithmetic lesson. Arithmetic means mathematical lesson. The mathematical lesson is the addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. The computer asked her to insert the yesterday homework in the window. Slot means window, proper means suited window. Margie did so with a sigh. Sigh means inhale, breathe. Margie disliked the school, so he sighed. But he inserted the yesterday homework into the slot. She was thinking about the old school they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. On working with computer, Margie imagined about the grandfather's old school. All the kids from the whole neighbors came and laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the classroom, going home together at the end of the day. In the old school, all the students are come from the neighboring home, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. They are playing in the school playground with laughing and shouting. Sitting together in the classroom. All the students are sitting in the one classroom. Going home together at the end of the day. At the end of the school, they go together with each other. They go together. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talked about it. They learned the same thing. The human teacher taught the same thing to the same lesson to all the students. So they helped one another in the homework and talked about the lesson. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. The mechanical teacher was blinking on the screen. Margie imagined about the old school. The mechanical teacher was in on, so it is flashing on the screen. It gives you homework. When we add fraction half and quarter. In the mechanical teacher give a sum in the fraction 1/2 plus 1 half plus quarter. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the olden days. Margie think about that old school, the kids are like the school because they are go together the school, also return together from the school. They are speak with one another and sharing their knowledge. So the kids like the school in old school. The kids like the old school. She was thinking about the fun they had. She was imagining about the olden school. The lesson is finished. In this lesson, the author Isaac Asimov imagined the school happened in the 2157. In 2157, the schools are having mechanical teacher, but olden school have the human teacher. Scientifically, she is thinking about the future school. Thank you.